Hey chemistry students, it's Miss Todd. Welcome to today's tutorial on going from scientific to standard notation. I have 4 different numbers that are written out in scientific notation. Each has a coefficient between 1 and 10. Remember, it cannot equal 10. Then they have times 10 to an exponent. And that exponent lets me know how many decimal places to move and whether the number will be smaller or greater than 1. So our first step when tackling these problems is to go ahead and just write out that coefficient value to the side or below. So 1.2. Second step is to take a look at that exponent. If it's positive, we are going to move our decimal place that many spaces. And if it's positive, we know that this is a number that is greater than 1. So I need to move my decimal place to make that happen. And when I do that, I'm moving it to the right. And I'm going to move it 5 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to fill in the holes with my zeros. So 1.2 times 10 to the 5th expressed in standard notation is 120,000. Let's try number 2. My number is 3.52 times 10 to the negative 4th. So first step, write out your number. 3.52. I may need to give myself some space on this one. I'll write it here, 3.52. Next step is to look at the exponent. If it's negative, that lets me know this is a number that is less than 1. So that means I need to make a really small number. And to do that, I'm going to have to move my decimal place to the left. So I'm going to move it 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to fill in those areas with zeros. So 3.52 times 10 to the 4th lets me know it's a really small number, and I got 0.0